Hi everyone. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel Salesforce FAQs. And today in this video I'm going to explain you about a custom report in Salesforce, that is open cases by owner report. So in this report we are going to display the cases that are owned by any specific user, that is the owner of those records. So the custom report that I'm going to create, in this I'm going to show the open cases that are owned by me, and in case there are multiple users that have access to own the records, then in that case it will show the multiple users. So as of now in my org I have all the cases created by me only, so it will display only those case records that are owned by me. So let's move ahead and see the process how we can create open cases by owner report in Salesforce. So right now I have logged into my Salesforce developer org, and as of now I am on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, and from here we will navigate to the reports tab. For that you have to click on the app launcher and here search and select reports. And if you are already in the sales application, then you can directly click on the reports tab. So after clicking the reports tab, it will take you to the reports setup. So here to create a new custom report, you have to simply click on the new report button. So here we are going to create report on the open cases. So here I will select the object as cases. So this is the standard cases object that we are going to select for this custom report. And after selecting the report type, we will click on the start report button. And here you can see these are the case owned by me and one more another user is there. So to group the case records that are owned by me, I can add a filter over here for like group rows by case owner. So now you can see the case ownership is grouped according to the usernames. So 17 cases are owned by this user and the 3 cases are owned by this user. And also we can apply some filters like in the show me filter, you can select what cases you want to display or include in the report table. For example, if I want to include the cases that are owned by me, so I will select the show me filter as my cases. So you will see that when I select the show me field as my cases, it will show only the cases that are owned by me. So as you can see, the other user that you were seeing here earlier is removed from the report table. And in this example, we are creating the report for the open cases. So make sure in the outline you include the open field here. And in case you can't see the open field here, then you can search and select it from the search bar. For example, I will show you how you can add it. So as of now, I will remove the open column. So now I have removed the open column from the report table. And to include the open column, I will again go to the column search bar and here search and select the open column. So as you select it, you can see the checkbox field of the open cases are appearing on the report table. And also if you want to see only the cases that are open, you can also apply a filter for that. For that, again go to the filters tab and here add the filter as open cases. So here I will select the case information as open and the open equals to true. And in case you want to filter out the close cases, then you can select the false. So for this I will select the true and click on the apply button. So it will show only those cases that are open as of now. So this is how you can create open cases by owner report in Salesforce. So this is how you can create open cases by owner report in Salesforce. And after creating the report, we have to save and run the report. For that, we will click on the button save and run. And here we have to enter the report name. And the report unique name will be auto-filled, and here you have to select the folder for the reports. So I will select the public folder, and after entering the name and selecting the folder for the report, click on the save button. And now in this window you can see the open cases that are owned by me, because here I have applied the filter that it will only show the cases that are owned by me. So this was all about it. So this is how you can create open cases by owner report in Salesforce Lightning. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.